Starting my second deep water culture bucket today, and I'm going to be planting a couple of these little peppers right here. Got them going good, and I'm going to put them down in. I'm going to show you how we're going to do that. I got my water level set. I have my water level set to about 4 inches below the top. Yep, right at 4 inches. And I've already washed my clay pellets, so I'm going to pour them in. Just about that much. Just to the top of the water. Not going to use them all yet. And then what I'll do is I'll take the rock wool and set that down in there just so it's touching just barely. I already got some roots on these plants. And then I'll fill it the rest of the way with the clay pellets. See the root there? Looking good. But I'll fill it the rest of the way with the clay pellets, but not all the way to the top yet, and then I'll let the plant grow, and then I'll fill it to the top later in a few weeks. As you can see, I've got the 2 plants down in there in the rock wool. Just going to leave them in there, and the water is, I'm just sitting on top of the water, and then I will fill the rest of that up with clay pellets, and then as the plants grow, I'll just keep putting pellets in it. Up underneath, it looks like this, and you can see the bubbler doing its thing. Cut a notch in the top, and I'll put a piece of tape over that. That's what it looks like. Now I got all the clay pellets in, and you can see just the top of the plant sticking up, maybe just a little bit of the rock wool down in there. But that, as they grow, I'll fill it all the way, the rest of the way up with the clay pellets, because I have plenty left, and that will get us in a good place. Let me put it in place, and I'll show you where it's going to go in the garden. And there it is, next to all the other plants, and it's kind of mooching off the light down in there good. Might put another light on it until it gets a little bigger, but I don't know. But there it sits right next to the pumps. All of the nutrient solution and the pH was already balanced. There's about 4.5 gallons of water in there, so I probably won't have to add water for a long time, and we should be good to go. As the plants get about 3 inches taller, I'll add the rest of the pellets, and I'll give you another video or picture of it pretty soon. That's how you do deep water culture using the garden lights next to them.